Turkish Get Up. So when you're initially learning this one, guys, it's quite a kind of complex and kind of intricate move, but once you start to, once you've done it a few times, you start to get hang with it, you will understand why there is a certain sequence to it and why we do it this way. So what I want you to do first, Tom's going to demonstrate on his right arm. I want you to get down onto the floor and take the dumbbell or the kettlebell to your right hand side, okay? You're going to roll it onto your chest and you're going to punch it out straight in front of you, like Tom's doing here. Now, if he's using his right arm, his left leg is going to be extended about 45 degrees away from his body, and his left arm is going to be out to the side with his right knee bent up. His first movement from here, he's going to use his core and he's going to roll onto his left elbow, keeping this kettlebell above his head throughout. So that's all he's doing. The second part from there is going to extend his left arm, okay, and push up into a seated position, but his legs are exactly the same. They've done nothing from setup. Now he's going to drive his hips up to the sky as high as he can. Now this is important because it's going to create a big hole for him now to bring his front leg back behind him through the gap into this half kneeling position that he's going to come up onto. So from here he's going to come up with that kettlebell still above his head into this half kneeling position. Bicep close to his ear, keeping his shoulder nice and stable. From this lunge, okay, he can stand up, feet together. Now this is halfway through the rep. So we're going to do everything he's just done, but in reverse to get back down and complete the full rep of a Turkish Get Up. So lunge backwards behind him. He's going to tilt to the side, keeping his eye on that kettlebell and keeping it over his head. Bring that back leg back through the gap with his hips high. Drop his bum back down to the ground, and then from here he can flex his elbow, go back from his elbow and back onto his back end. So that is the full Turkish Get Up movement. Do it for the prescribed amount of reps, but we're going to, every time we do one on the right arm, we're also going to do one on the left as well.